Hello, we are the SpaceX fans and welcome to the SpaceX Show, the place where you can stay up to date with everything SpaceX. On Thursday, SpaceX successfully launched their 116th Falcon mission of the year with the launch of Starlink 666.
One. And liftoff. Go SpaceX, go Starlink.
The booster which launched this mission, B-1069, then landed successfully for the 20th time on the drone ship a shortfall of gravitors.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Then earlier this morning, SpaceX successfully launched their 117th Falcon mission of the year with the launch of Starlink 913. The booster which launched this mission, B-1075, then landed successfully for the 15th time on the drone ship Of Course I Still Love You.
Stage 2 terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Coming up tomorrow and into the week, SpaceX have a bunch of launches scheduled. The first of these, the Starlink 12-1 mission, is currently scheduled for tomorrow, Monday 25th at 9:32 AM UTC or 4:32 AM EST. The following day we can hopefully expect to see another Starlink launch. The Starlink 676 mission is currently scheduled for Tuesday 26th at 3:31 AM UTC or tomorrow, Monday 25th at 10:31 PM EST. Then later in the week we can hopefully expect to see yet another Starlink launch. The Starlink 665 mission is currently scheduled for Saturday 30th at 5 AM UTC or 12 AM EST. A little later the same day we should see a customer mission launch. The NROL 126 mission is currently scheduled for Saturday 30th at 8:08 AM UTC or 3:08 AM EST. SpaceX posted some information about a fairing on the first Starlink mission we saw. They said fairing separation confirmed, making this the new fleet leader at 21 flights. Heading to Boca Chica, work to repair the launch mount has started since Flight 6. Here's a look at a damaged mast at the top of the tower after Starship Flight 6. SpaceX are putting together another crane at the launch site. The work on the Star Factory office building connection is continuing. SpaceX had previously considered a land swap at Starbase that has now been dropped. This article says SpaceX has walked out on its long-coveted land deal with Texas that would have been used to expand the company's Starship rocket operations, according to a company memo seen by Bloomberg. SpaceX recently posted a super cool close-up video of Starship 31 landing in the ocean after the Starship Flight 6 mission. Musk gave some more information on why the Flight 6 booster catch was aborted. He said lost comms to the launch tower computer. Catch would probably have still worked, but we weren't sure, so erred on the side of caution. There was some good news from the FAA about Starship launches from Starbase. This article says in a draft version of what is known as an environmental assessment, the FAA indicated that it will grant SpaceX permission to increase the number of Starship launches in South Texas to 25 per year from the current limit of 5. Additionally, the company will likely be allowed to continue increasing the size and power of the Super Heavy booster stage and Starship upper stage. There was some interesting information posted about Super Heavy Booster 13 which flew on Flight 6. It says here is the video clip from Everyday Astronauts livestream appearing to show large caliber rounds impacting Booster 13's aft section. These may be 20mm or 50 cal rounds fired from the boat on the left side of the screen. SpaceX has been selected to launch a lunar rover to the moon using Starship. This article says Lunar Outpost has selected SpaceX's Starship vehicle to deliver to the moon the Artemis lunar rover it is developing for potential use by NASA. The Colorado company announced November 21st that it signed an agreement for SpaceX to use Starship to transport the company's Lunar Outpost Eagle rover to the moon. Ship 26's aft section was seen being moved around Starbase. The mid-lock section for Ship 26 was seen being removed from the high bay. Here's a view of Ship 26 continuing to be scrapped in the high bay. As always, I have to say thanks to both Mary, otherwise known as Boca Chica gal, and Max Evans for being out there filming the Starbase content. Also thanks to the NASA spaceflight team working behind the scenes on their videos, live streams and other space content. That's it for this episode of the SpaceX Show. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you want to stay updated with SpaceX info, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.